Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, uMakalwazi, while she's busy happy there because uLwazi uzoshada ingane yakwaZondi. As she's busy happy congratulating her son ukuthi konke kuzohamba kahle, his life is gonna go well. Hayibo, there's a knock on the door, you guys. When they go and open the door, who is standing there? Umam Zobi is standing there. Umam Zobe, guys, is standing there. She's standing there, no Kabsile and his suitcase. So uMakalwazi goes on to say ukuthi hayibo Mam Zobe, asinaso nje isikhathi sokudlala la nawe. Asinaso, bengicela ukuthi ungalimoshi usuku londodana yami, because I mean they are celebrating, or she's happy that uLwazi is going to be marrying ingane yakwaZondi. Umam Zobe goes on to say ukuthi no, I'm not here. I'm not here to ukumosha anything mina. Mina nje ngilethe umakoti wenu enizomshada la ekhaya. She goes on to say ukuthi njengoba niyambona ukuthi uthola umzukulwana wenu ngimlethe lana ke, and then she says oh nazi nempahla zakhe, zimpahla zakhe ezikaGabi G lezi. I'm like, shy Gabi G. One thing, guys, that I'm noticing that most of us is that we are starting to like Uzobi stop, because listen, she's not going to let history repeat itself with uKabsile, you guys. I'm like, you know what, good shot uKabsile akayohlala laphayana, and let's see what's going to happen, because this, like, it can't be. But listen, that move that Umam Zobe pulled, guys, that was savage on another level. Shame that time uGabi G, she's just standing there. Uyasaba. uMakalwazi is in belief. Ulwazi akakhuluma iqiniso bandla, akakhuluma iqiniso or else angazi. But anyway, uKabsile vele akayohlala laphayana till Ulwazi I'll keep iqiniso. Anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.